Welcome to One Kanji a Day. Today a special one, all about your own body. Point to your eyes, your ears, your hands, and Japanese has a single clear character for each. Learn 9 of them, and you can say how you feel, read a pharmacy shelf, and tell a doctor where it hurts.
That last part is exactly what scares me. If I ever felt ill in Japan, I would have no idea how to say what was wrong.
By the end of this, you will. 9 parts of the body, and several are tiny pictures of the thing itself. Once you see it, you cannot unsee it. Let us start at the top.
So, this first one, the box with lines inside.
That is me, the eye. Stand it on its side, and it is an eye with the pupil in the middle. The old form was even rounder. Me is the plain everyday word for eye.
An eye turned on its end. I honestly will not forget that.
Good. And it hides in useful words. Megusuri, eye plus medicine, is eye drops. The little bottle you reach for at any pharmacy.
This next one is just a plain square. Surely that is too simple to mean anything.
That plain square is kuchi, the mouth. Picture an open mouth. It is one of the very first characters Japanese children ever learn.
A mouth drawn as a box. And I am guessing it shows up on signs.
All the time. Deguchi, exit, and iriguchi, entrance, both end in this mouth character, an opening you go out of or into. Watch for it in every station.
This one has a shape that curls a little, almost like it is leaning in to listen.
Well spotted. That is mimi, the ear, drawn from the shape of an ear on the side of the head. Mimi is the everyday word.
An ear on the side of the head. It really does look the part.
It does. And if that ear ever troubles you, the sign you want is jibika, the ear and nose clinic. This character sits right at the front of it.
Now this one, I can almost see fingers spreading out.
That is exactly what it is. Te, the hand, a palm with the fingers fanned out. Te is the word you use pointing at your own hand.
A hand with its fingers. These really are little drawings.
They are. And here is a fun one. Kitte, cut plus hand, means a postage stamp. Odd until you picture tearing one off a sheet by hand.
This one sits lower on the page, like it belongs at the bottom.
Fitting, because it is ashi, the foot and the leg. The lower part shows a foot below the knee. Ashi covers both foot and leg in everyday speech.
Foot and leg in one character. Handy, if a little confusing.
A little. When you need to be exact, ashikubi, foot plus neck, is the ankle, the neck of your foot.
This next one is busy. A lot of strokes for one body part.
It is our most complex today. Atama, the head. The part on the right once pointed to a rounded shape, so it names the roundest part of you.
Atama, the head. Worth the extra strokes, I suppose.
Worth knowing, because zutsu, head plus pain, is a headache. If you ever need painkillers in Japan, this is the word on the box.
This one looks related to the last. It shares that same shape on the right.
Sharp eye, it does. This is cow, the face. The same rounded head part on the right, with a marker for the features on the left. Cow is your whole face.
The head shape showing up again. That link actually helps me.
Use it. And the warmest word it makes is egao, smile plus face, a smiling face. A good one to carry with you everywhere.
This one is different, all soft curves, almost pretty.
That is because it is a picture of a heart, kokoro. It means the heart and also the mind and your feelings. 3 ideas inside one small character.
Heart, mind, and feelings together. That says something about the language.
It does, and it gives you anshin, peace plus heart, meaning relief, that calm you feel when a worry finally lifts.
Last one. a person on the left, and something standing beside them.
You can almost read it already. Karada, the body, a person beside the character for root, the whole frame you live in. Karada is your body as a whole.
A person and their root. The body is the base of everything.
Beautifully put. And at any clinic you will meet taion, body plus warmth, your body temperature, the first thing a nurse checks.
Eye, mouth, ear, hand, foot, head, face, heart, and body. I could point to every one of these on myself now.
That is the whole idea. 9 parts of you, several of them little pictures, and the words for aches, smiles, and relief that come with them. 1 kanji a day, and your own body reads back to you.